I don't know what to fucking eat though. I mean, do we eat this little part with it? I don't understand. They say you gotta drink
Lenora
that juice.
said, what kind of eggs?
They say you gotta drink that juice out of
Duck
it.
eggs.
That don't taste bad at all. Damn, that tastes good.
Ew.
That tastes good.
Let me see. Show the camera.
I just took the bite.
Bring it close.
Mace, did you drink all the juice out of it?
No. I didn't get no juice, actually.
You gotta crack this thing open right here. Like that. Now just put it to your mouth and suck it. That's not that tastes good, dude.
Is it good?
It's good, but...
Are you really eating it?
Yeah. Look.
You already eating it?
Yeah.
You already bit into it. Ew, did you see the beak?
Come on, what are you doing? No, remember? Come on.
No, that's good. It's good, yeah.
Would you eat it again?
Give me that baby so I show what you're eating.
That's what it's eating. You can see the duck right there, too.
This is what they're eating.
Okay,
You're messing up my video.
here we go. Put a little bit of salt on
It
mine.
down.
Put a little bit of salt on it.
I can't eat that much salt. Is it good?
It's actually pretty good.
Told you I would eat it. Actually, really good. Want a bite?
You want a bite?
Want a bite?
No.
Take it. Want a bite?
Come on. May the force be with you, woman.
Dang, that's the.
It was supposed to just slip right out. But it didn't.
My mom said, Marco Morales, don't have my grandson eat that shit.
Your grandson agreed to it.
Yeah, it's good, Grandma.
Show Grandma what you're eating, put it to the camera.
Oh yeah, it's good. Hi guys.
I don't know what this is. It's like real hard.
Somebody said, I think I see white feathers coming out.
Hanging out of my mouth?
And Marco?
Right there. Yeah, that's the head.
Grandma said, yuck, Milius.
Milius, yuck.
I'm gonna open another one.
Lenora said, probably has lots of protein though.
How is so?
Yeah, we're all about it. So, they say whenever you crack them open,
Mary said, what is that?
first we cook it. We boil them for 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. I did mine for 20.
Oh.
And then whenever you crack them open, you don't crack the pointed end. You crack the round end. And then right whenever you got it open, about like that, going ahead and you're going to slurp all this juice out of it. Like this, so.
Ew.
Mmm.
It's supposed to be good.
And then you finish peeling it open.
That's good.
It's good, ain't it?
Oh yeah. The hard part is the head. I think you don't supposed to eat that head.
You eat it all.
This is what they're eating.
It's duck. It's an egg duck. It tastes good. Oh, also, I know my number one. My shoulder.
Lenora said, slurp is.
Mom, we're messing up my video though.
Mary said you should own your own cooking show.
Yeah, I should actually.
So, does she want to sponsor me?
What did she say?
Is that your second one?
Yeah. This is good. It actually tastes like eggs.
Slurp Sharanda is. Mary said hell no.
Can I get some Tabasco?
You do whatever you want. Put some salt on it.
Where's the Tabasco? Mom,
Mm.
up here?
Yeah.
That's some good stuff.
It's not up here.
These are the type of eggs to start your day off with. You heard me, Martha?
Martha, do you know where it is? The Tabasco? Oh, right there. Right there. Okay, I can eat it.
I think they went to the bathroom.
Who said that?
Hell no.
No. We went to the kitchen right there. And I got some Tabasco. Tabasco. Actually, we have two cameras. One's on Facebook on live. That's why we're messing up. And I keep looking at over here. And then over here to you guys. Okay? Good? So I got some Tabasco. Gonna dip it right here. That's enough. That's enough. Ooh, that smells good. Gonna get that part.
I'm not eating it because I'm recording.
Yeah. Cause you don't want to eat it, duh.
And it's against my religion.
Wait. Is it against my religion?
Mom said she hears you quack quack.
I'll eat it. It's really good. Hell, I even eat things that bleed for 7 days and don't even die. I'm just raunchy like that, you know what I'm saying?
Say hi to the people.
Hey, people.
Hi, Ricky. If you're watching this.
Nora said be quacking tonight.
Yeah, I might though.
Try it, Randa.
No.
Why? Oh, that's a beak.
Maybe she ran out of memory.
I have? No, that's okay.